morning children. Today we are going to study about the small scale and the large scale. Consider a map in which 1 centimeter is a 1 kilometer and 1 centimeter and 100 kilometer. It is obvious that the first map will show greater details than the second one. We say that the first map has a large scale than the second one. Small scale are generally found in an atlas, show the large area of the earth. Large scale map, like a tourist map, on the other hand, show much smaller area relatively to the large area. Naturally, they can show many more features on a particular place. Large scale maps are useful when we need a detailed picture to the relatively small area. So how the locating the feature on a topographic maps? To locate on a features on a map, we draw a grid. A grid is a net of lines that form a cell like a graph paper. A feature on a map can be located by knowing the cell it lies. A map that we find on an atlas usually covered with the degrees, latitudes and longitude. In such map, the grid is usually formed by the meridians and the parallels. Topographic map cover much smaller area. Most of them cover 1 degree latitudes and the longitude. Hence, these maps are not enough meridian parallel to form a grid. So the vertical horizontal lines are drawn to form a grid. These lines are drawn in a red known as by the 2-digit number. Easting and northing. The left bottom corner of the topographic map is taken as the starting point of the grid. The vertical lines are drawn east of the point are called easting. The horizontal lines drawn on the north is called northing. These numbers given easting increase eastward and the number given to the northing increase to the northward. So the vertical lines are called easting and horizontal lines are called northing. In figure 1.1, the line numbered 20, 21, 22, 23 are the easting and 27, 28, 29, 30 are the northing. See on the picture, these are the easting and these are the northing. Tomorrow we will study about reference with the grid or in the topo sheet, how we can locate the things. Thank you.